Your Excellency the Deputy President, please come forward.
Your Excellency, our President, the Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Ministers present, the Speakers of the two Houses, and everybody here, I want to say that today is a very momentous occasion for our great republic. You are sending the Affordable Housing Bill 2023 into law this morning. Your Excellency clears the path for dignifying our people by giving them shelter, and again for creating employment for our young people. Your Excellency, when this program ran into problems from our critics and we had challenges before the courts of law, you provided leadership, and we admire your tenacity to do the right thing. And you did indicate to us that we must have respect for the rule of law, constitutionalism, and independent institutions. And that is why, Your Excellency, under your guidance, you decided we do the right thing by aligning the law and conform to what the courts wanted. And now that this has been done, the path is now clear so that we can create employment for our young people, and we can give the Kenyan people dignified shelter. Let me say that those of us you have given the responsibility, to deal with matters drug abuse and alcoholism. Under your guidance, direction, you have guided us that people should not drink during the day. Now we have an opportunity, because there will be employment, for people to go and work. And for avoidance of doubt, bars will open at 5 and close at 11 p.m. The rest of the time, let us go and work. Let us go and build houses. Let us go and provide shelter for the Kenyan people. Your Excellency, I don't want to spare this occasion, because if I had thought it clearly, I should have prepared a written speech, because when you have a written speech, you cannot say a word that can spoil a very good occasion. So let me add there by not adding anything, and to say, Your Excellency, we want to congratulate you as our vision carrier for this matter, affordable housing. This program will define your legacy, and we want to assure you, those of us you have given the privilege to work under you and to assist you in the management of the affairs of this great country, we are right behind you, and we ask all Kenyans to support this program and to support our president so that we can dignify our people. Your Excellency, for today, I also don't want you to say anything. You might spoil this occasion, which has been very good. Now you have the tools, you have the funds. Please go to work and make sure Kenyans are dignified. Asanteni sana.
All right, thank you.